This video is the road to Sparta. I'm currently level 191. Now I'm gonna do the same old thing, 12.2, for more experience. I'm gonna use Psylocke and Infiltrator Agent Mine. So let's go. The trick here is never let your 12.2 reach the 5-star mastery, or it's gonna be a big trouble like I'm current state right now. The enemies are much more back with their health attack. And it's taking a lot of time. It's really annoying when your hero or agent miss a target. It's like, hey, that's a very big guy. You can't hit a very big guy. Like, hey man, that's a guy with a fucking shield. You can't hit it. That's what I'm talking about. Better heal my agent. that's how we do it. 465.
Punta namin ni Ruby
Saan?
sa Pure Gold.
Nagkara-record ako yung ingay nyo. Sorry for that commotion.
Mura-mura na lang.
Oh no!
Nagtista kaya ako.
Amplifier. You can use this in the group bus right now because of the tandem of Agent and Iron Man. Heroic Age Iron Fist. In the last final attack, you can put it on the high evolution so that Iron Man will get plus times 2 attack damage. Hope, and that ended up our road to Sparta. The road to Sparta is brought to you by James Casides of Magtoda. Thank you for watching.